Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi and welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. And in today's video we are going to solve 9th class NCERT book Mathematics chapter 12 Heron's formula exercise 12.1 question number 1. According to the question number 1, there is a signal board and on which a message is written school ahead, and this signal board is in form of equilateral triangle whose sides are A, and this it is also given that if the perimeter will be 180 centimeter, then what will be the area of this triangular signal board. So as all sides are given as A, so in first case we are taking as the A is equal to A, B is equal to A, C is equal to A. Then we will try to find out the area, and when we will calculate the area, then we will find out the semi-perimeter with the help of this perimeter. So now first find out the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C upon 2, sum of all sides divided by 2. A plus A plus A, as it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are we are considering as A upon 2. Hence semi-perimeter we got 3 upon 2 A. Now we will apply the Heron's formula to find out the area of this triangular signal board. And according to the Heron's formula, area of a triangle is S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. S is semi-perimeter which we just calculated, 3 upon 2A, 3 upon 2A minus A, 3 upon 2A minus A, again 3 upon 2A minus A. By taking the LCM, 3 upon 2A, 3A minus 2A upon 2, we are taking the LCM, 3A and 2 minus 2A. So all three terms will be like this. After subtracting, we are getting 3 upon 2A. This term, it will be same. After subtracting, it will be 3A minus 2A, A upon 2, A upon 2, A upon 2. All these three terms will be same. Now, we will take the square out of the square root. So 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2, as it is in pair, so 1 upon 2 will be come out. Again here A, 1A will come out of over the root, A, again A. So only unpair 3 will remain in under root. So now after multiplying we are getting 1 upon 4 A square root 3. Hence we can generalize the formula for the equilateral triangle with the help of Heron's formula. So the area of any equilateral triangle is root 3 upon 4 into A square. So this is the derivation for the area of the equilateral triangle with the help of Heron's formula. Okay, so now we will try to calculate the side of this signal board whose perimeter is 180 centimeter. So now we will solve it in second part. It will be like this. So P equal to 180 centimeter and P will be A plus A plus A. So 3A will be equal to 180. A will be 180 upon 3 will give the value of A as 60 centimeter. Now we have the side of that's triangular signal board. Now we can easily calculate the area of that signal board. So area of that signal board just we calculated root 3 upon 4 into A square. The value of A we will put as 60. Root 3 upon 4 into 60 into 60. After simplifying, we are getting the area of signal board as 900 under root 3 centimeter square. So this is the solution of the first question. Thank you children. Hope you have understand question number 1.